If you're experiencing connection errors in a Sims 4, particularly error code 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other devices or applications to see if they can connect to the internet. Step 2. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help reset your connection and resolve any temporary issues. Step 3. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that your game is up to date. Launch the Origin or EA app, go to your game library, and check for any available updates for The Sims 4. Install any updates if necessary. Step 4. Disable firewall/antivirus temporarily. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the internet. Temporarily disable these programs and try launching the game again. Remember to enable them afterward. Step 5. Repair the game. In the Origin or EA app, right-click on The Sims 4 in your library and select Repair. This process will fix any corrupted files that may be causing connection issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and get back to playing The Sims 4. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.